You invested in great boots, but no one taught you how to care for them, so you've been putting it off. The problem with that is you end up with boots like this, way too early. Today, I'm going to show you the exact steps that you need to take to prevent that. We're restoring this pair of Frank's boots today, well worn, dried out, but not too far gone. And we'll accomplish that by using Obenauf's Leather Care Essentials kit to clean, condition, and protect your boots so that they last for years to come. Let's get to it. If your boots are covered in dirt and dried out or stiff, here's what you need. Cleaning cloth, leather cleaner, heavy-duty LP, leather oil, and a horsehair brush. First things first, you can't get the best clean unless you first remove the laces. You'd be surprised how much dirt and grime can get stuck near the tongue, and left untreated will rot away your leather before you know it. After giving your boots a good shake off outside, we start with the horsehair brush to knock off all surface dirt. This step matters, especially with suede and rough out, because you don't want to rub that dirt right back into the leather. Work around seams, stitching, welts, anywhere buildup hides, and be thorough. Removing dirt is crucial because it clogs your leather's pores, traps moisture, breeds bacteria, and leads to dry, smelly, and damaged boots. Now that we remove most of the surface dirt, let's easily take off the rest with Obenauf's CLEANIT spray. Spray lightly onto the boot or cloth, don't soak it, and gently wipe down the leather. You'll see the dirt lift right off. But for more soiled areas, spray on some more, give it some time to work, and then wipe off the excess. Repeat as necessary. CLEANIT spray is safe for all rough out and smooth leathers, but as always, test a small area first to prevent any unmet expectations. A big reason why this leather cleaner is different than others is because it's simple but effective. It's made from water, saponified linseed oil, and a hint of fragrance. No phosphates, no detergents, and no sulfates added. It gets the job done in a pinch while preserving your leather after you've worked hard in the harshest environments. Obenauf's cleaning cloth is made with cleaning power in mind, as its gritty texture helps remove stuck-on dirt and debris without much effort. Something important to note while you're cleaning is to switch to a clean portion of your cloth with each pass to prevent rubbing the dirt you just took off back onto the leather. Simply repeat the same steps throughout your boot until it's fully clean. From there, Obenauf's recommends allowing your leather to be fully dry before applying any oil or conditioner, and that's because if there's still moisture in the leather, it can block the conditioner from soaking in properly and may lead to a patchy finish. If you happen to have a hard time getting into any crevices like near your boot's welt stitching, you can grab a toothbrush to simplify the process. Leaving dirt in tight spaces can lead to uneven wear on your boots over time, so be thorough. Then wipe off the excess. Now to tackle your boot tongue. No need to reinvent the wheel, simply spray, scrub, wipe, and repeat until clean. If you happen to have dirt or rocks lodged into your outsole treads, you can get a hard tool, dislodge them, and give them a brush down to remove any excess. This can actually go a long way to preserving your outsole treads. As a general rule of thumb, it's important to condition and protect your leather after cleaning. Soap and dirt can strip away natural oils, leaving the leather dry and prone to cracking. To keep it in good shape, follow up with Obenauf's Leather LP if you're expecting wet or harsh conditions, or their leather oil for drier environments. If you're wondering on how often you should condition your leather, it truly depends on how often you use it. However, Obenauf's does recommend conditioning every 6 to 8 weeks at a time, more or less. After waiting 1 hour, you may decide to apply another coat of LP for longer results, especially in wet conditions. Obenauf's LP isn't recommended for suede or if color change is a concern. As shown, any wax-based conditioner will darken your leather to some extent, but it may dry lighter over time. That's completely normal, and it shows that the oils and waxes are doing their job. Always test first if color matters to you. Feel free to lightly condition your leather midsoles as well, but go easy because too much oil can weaken the adhesives that hold your soles together. You'll find that conditioning your leather regularly will not only make your leather last longer, but it will feel more comfortable while you walk, age gracefully with a well-loved patina, and prevent most wear that comes with neglect. Just wanted to give a quick thank you for Frank's Boots for sending these over. I've had the chance to see firsthand what makes Frank's Boots so special. These aren't just any boots, they're handmade and custom fit right in Spokane, Washington, with an uncompromising focus on quality, comfort, and long-term durability. If you want to protect your investment and keep your boots in tip-top shape for the long haul, don't wait. Take the time to care for them now, whether you're restoring a pair or just getting started with proper maintenance. There's no better time to give your boots the attention they deserve. And if you want a good discount on some Frank's boots, feel free to use my code Evumies on franksboots.com. To properly use Obenauf's leather oil, you just need to apply a light, even layer with the included dauber or a clean cloth. Let it soak in for a few minutes, no more than an hour, and then buff off any extra. You guys don't need to overdo it. You want the leather to breathe, not get soaked. So for bigger pieces, work in sections so everything gets covered evenly, and if you feel it needs a second coat after absorption, it's fine. And always do a quick spot test first. Sometimes the leather can darken a bit. If this is your first time using leather oil, I'd recommend applying a light coat at first. It can take up to 7 days for the oil to fully work its way through the leather and reveal its true final color, so don't judge the finish so soon. When using leather oil, avoid applying it directly on the eyelets and around the welt. The oil can over-soften the leather in those areas, which might cause the eyelets to loosen or come out over time with wear. Instead, apply a light coat of heavy-duty LP to protect the leather without compromising its strengths. Once dry, simply buff off any excess. If your boot laces are wearing out, fraying, or constantly coming untied, Obenauf's laces are a great upgrade. They're designed to reduce eyelet wear, resist water, dry rot, heat, and fraying, so they last longer and stay tied when it counts. They're woven with more strands than your regular laces, and for added durability, they're then hand-dipped in Obenauf's heavy-duty LP. They will stay tied and last longer, so you can focus on the job, not your laces. So if you guys are tired of replacing weak laces, it's time to upgrade to ones that actually hold up. And if you prefer leather laces like I do, just rub a little LP on them from time to time for longer life and smoother lacing. If you made it this far and you're already planning to take care of your boots anyway, now is a great time to start. Just for watching, I was able to get you guys a limited time discount code. It's a small way to save some cash while investing in products that actually protect your leather and help it last longer. So no pressure, just a solid deal if you guys are ready to get started. Use code Evumies in all caps on obenaufs.com. Grab what you need and enjoy the deal while it lasts. After cleaning, conditioning, and swapping out the laces if needed, that's all it takes for a simple yet effective routine. Now you've got the basics down, but what about suede? It's a whole different process, and if you clean it wrong, you could ruin it fast. So before you touch those suede shoes, make sure you know what you're doing. Tap the subscribe button with the bell icon so you don't miss any new videos. Share this with a friend who seriously needs a boot care upgrade, and check out this next video to learn how to care for suede the right way. And if you want to grab any of the products used in this video, you'll find them linked in the description below. Remember to love your leather.